Even if you have a photographic memory, if you take Lena to lunch and you're just, I remember everything. She don't know that, right? But if she sees that you're writing things down and you're listening and you're workshopping with her and you're able to write a note down and a number and you're able to hand it to her, she's going to be like, Riley is freaking amazing. He cares about me. He gives a crap, right? Like you guys, we have lost it in this world of like the art of showing that you give a crap enough. And when you're taking notes about what somebody is saying, they know that you are locked in. And the other thing with lunch, you're going to get interrupted 7 times during the lunch. Do you need water? Was that iced tea or sweet tea? Right? So now when you sit down with Lena, what's the most important thing we need to accomplish over lunch? She's going to say it. You're going to write it down at the top of your sheet. And then when she says other things, you're going to be able to write keywords. And then when they come to take the salad order and she's trying to ask them if it has bacon in it or not have bacon in it, you can go, okay, cool. So where were we at? Oh yeah. On the inventory blankety blank, Lena, when you said you guys are trying to reduce that cost, can you give me a specific example? It's going to keep you on track and keep her back on track. That's the goddamn problem with these lunch meetings, right? We all, Mike Tyson, I love that guy. Everybody's got a plan, Derek, until they what? Get punched in the face. Everybody's got a plan for a great lunch meeting until Lena's salad has to go back because she's got a peanut allergy and it just throws everything off. Because for a second there, you thought she was going to have to bring out an EpiPen if she didn't notice the damn peanut in there. You have to be able to take notes. 1, it's going to show you're respectful. 2, it's going to make sure that you log everything. And 3, it's going to be an anchor for you to go back to where you were talking when the salad comes loaded with peanuts.
Hey, Dad, I want to make more money in sales.
You should want to make more money in sales.
Right? What's the best way to do it?
All right, I'm going to hook you up. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. You've probably been through it 1,000 times, but I'll give it to you again. And I'm going to give everybody else watching this, if you work in sales, you can make a lot more money. You can have a lot more fun. You can get a lot more deals done. I know this because I'm Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It is the most effective sales coaching on planet EARTH. I'm going to pay the $300 and I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. Click the link here or click the link in my bio. I will cover all the cost. You pay absolutely nothing. You're going to be like, Matt, I love you. You are my best friend. I'm closing deals. And I'm going to be like, you should be closing deals because you work in sales. That's why we took the job. Get the course. Click the link. It's in my bio. I'll see you there.